Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will discuss about injured in a car accident and car accident insurance. So watch completely my video, so watch completely. In today's video I will discuss about injured in a car accident insurance, about local car accident on news. So watch completely video, get the compensation you deserve. If you have been injured in an accident, you probably have questions. Who will pay your medical bills? How will you support your family while you are away from work? What will life look like after the accident? And G3, we have helped hundreds of accident victims in Tennessee recover compensation for their injuries, allowing them to pay their medical bills, recoup lost wages and overtime, pay and repair or replace their vehicles. The attorneys at G3 Help Me are here to make your life as easy and stress free as possible after an accident, while you focus on getting the medical care you need. We'll be here too, and then I will tell you the attorneys organize your medical bills, coordinate ongoing treatment plans, navigate the claims process, speak speak the insurers and creditors on your behalf, investigate your accident. Skip and then I will tell you navigate the claims process, speak to insurers and creditors on your behalf, investigate your accident, build your case, maximize the value of your claim. No more calls from the insurance companies, no more unpaid medical bills piling up, no more sleepless nights wondering what comes next. What you work with G3, we handle every aspect of your case so that you can focus on your health, your family, and your future. The first step is a free, no obligation consultation with our law firm. Use the button below, and this is the button to free consultation. Anytime I needed them, they were available to help quickly with a high level of professionalism. The team made me feel taken care of after my accident. They take a very personal approach. They explained everything in detail and made the process the best experience possible given by situation. I am incredibly thankful for the professionalism, compassion, and dedication of everyone at the law offices of G. Turner. So watch completely video and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more insurance details. Get started today. What you do after an accident? They can impact the outcome of your case. Here are three things you should do immediately after an accident. Seek medical treatment. Seek medical treatment and don't speak with the insurance companies. Contact a personal injury attorney and get the G3 team on your site. Watch completely video at the law offices of G. Turner Howard. You get seasoned experience. Meet you in our next video.